Did you know that hummingbirds are the smallest migrating birds on the planet? Weighing just 1/8 of an ounce, lighter than a coin, these tiny creatures are true wonders of nature. Despite their size, hummingbirds can fly forward, backward, sideways, and upside down. They can fly at speeds of nearly 30 miles per hour in direct flight and more than 45 miles per hour during courtship dives. But that's not all. These feathered marvels can travel an astounding 500 miles in one go during migration. Picture this, a bird so small it can fit in the palm of your hand, yet powerful enough to conquer vast distances. Hummingbirds got their name from the humming noise their wings make in flight.